Hello guys, it's your girl Lucy. I'm back. So, first of all, if you're new here, you're much welcomed. You're welcomed. Feel at home. Yes. Hapa ni nyumbani. We at home. Welcome. So, and if you're already a family member, welcome back. As you can see, today I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to do something and I will show you. So before I continue, kindly, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and of course don't forget to click on that notification bell. It's near subscribe word so that every time I post you get notified. Thank you. Yeah, so I'll start by showing you the ingredients. So guys, here are my ingredients. So 125 grams butter or margarine, whatever you have. So that is one, and then sugar 150 grams. Oh my god, you guys, I got this from my dad from his timber yard. Dad, in case you're watching this, you watch this, thank you so much. Yep, so exactly 150 grams sugar, and then I have 3 eggs. I have vanilla sugar, that is whole of this 1 vanilla sugar, and then 1 tablespoon baking powder, and then a pinch of salt, and 150 gram unga or wheat flour. What else do I have? And yes, as you can see, the cake will be strawberry cake. Yeah. And then I'm thinking of, you know, just to grate, is it okirita dimo? Some itago dough, eo makoni, the skin, its skin. You guys, you will have to excuse me because my English, once I start recording, then that's it. But when I'm alone, my English is like this. Very good. And then I have this hand mix. Oh God, you cannot see, I'm sorry. This hand mixer. And of course, I have my mixing jar. Kana jagi. What else do I have? Exactly. And then to decorate my cake, I have uto to magemia, some small decorations such. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see. So what else? Oh, and today of course I have me. I have a measuring jar, or you can call it the way you wanna call it. What else do I have? Of course I have this and this, but of course this one has its this one. How do we bake without this? So, and then I have this, and of course I have my scissors to cut the baking sheet. So guys, I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients. So baking powder, we need 1 teaspoon. And I have already added salt, a pinch of salt. Yes, and inside here is 150 gram wheat flour, and then I will sieve everything. So meaning that salt, sugar, and wheat flour, and of course I will add my vanilla sugar, a whole sachet. everything about. Go ahead and add my margarine or butter, whatever you have, and my lemon. Ngozi ya lemon. Continue mixing everything. And of course add my sugar. Here is my mixture. Well mixed. Yes. Now I want to prepare my baking sheet. So, without wasting time, I will use butter to just, to quick at them. Is my margarine. Not a kidogo too, not a lot. Just kidogo. Just kidogo. Komota, my friend. Wheatflour. Kidogo too. That way. And now it's time to guanolia. This is how my mixture looks like. So that way. And now this one should bake at 180 degrees and for 30 minutes. So let's do this. That way, and then something else I do is yes, 180 and then for 30 minutes. Thank you. I just told Maish to just check for me. That was 180. Okay. And then another trick, what I do so that my cake doesn't burn, I always use that aluminum foil, so just to cover the top. Meanwhile, I will prepare my strawberries. And then, something else I forgot to show you. I now can transfer my decoration, whatever hapa, because now I don't need the surface anymore. I don't know if I'll use this, but let me just see. Oh wow, okay. So exactly. So I'll just wash them and then cut. I'll see how I'll do that. I'm really eager to. Where is that? This one. Now I'll use this because I don't have the bowl thing. Yes, and then this is sour cream. Yes, I will need this. Yes. I I don't know how that is done, but I just do kiodo way madogodani somehow, and I'm sure this will turn out to be just great for me. So you guys, see you later in 30 minutes. Yes. So my peeps, 30 minutes over. Let's see what we have. Then I have this haka kakudunga. Oh, yeah. And the trick I used was before that so this is what I did. This cover like this so that it can bake slowly. Let's do this pamoja. Wow, I love this. So it's clean, my friend. I don't know if you can see that, but I cannot even zoom in. The cake is ready, but now I'll let it cool. In that case, I'll just let it stay hapo. Yep. About decorating, I already have prepared my strawberries. I washed them, and then I need 4 of them with the mahuti, with the leaves, and then I need hizi zingine zote, all of them. Oh my god, I forgot to cut this, but I think this one I'll edit it. Yeah, let's just see how this goes. So guys, I transferred my cake to this bigger tray. Yeah, and now I don't know if you can see the color. I think it's because of reflection, but wow, this is so nice. So I'm about to decorate this, and I just use this whisk. Now this is sour cream, and then I just noticed that I don't have sugar, so I just use something else. I'll use vanilla sugar just for the taste. So I don't know how this one will turn out, but I've never decorated a cake, so this is my first time I'm trying this. But this one will be enough. But otherwise I have more, so I'll just add in case it's not enough. I don't know if this will be too much. Little revolve. Let me just try. Suzanne, I meant whipped cream. Yes. These words. Before I get the right word, that takes. This is not the right tool that I'm using to do this, but this is what we have. This is how my cake looks like. It's somehow naked. Yes, so let's continue with the decoration. So So what I've done is cut into two. Wow guys, look at that. Look at that, my friend. Wow. Okay. So you guys, you can start doing your orders. Now I have another idea. I just hope that this will work. But mimi ni nani? Let's see. Okay. I know I should be hitting gym, but my friend, like these things we need to. So you guys, that's my cake. Yep, that's how it looks like. So kindly, if you have enjoyed, if you have liked this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for staying with me till the end, and just comment down below and say what you think about this cake. And then remember, this is my first time. I've never decorated a cake. I've never, like tried to bake, a cute cake. I just bake somehow undecorated cake. Any bora tu e. It's just not bad. I like it. So guys, this marks the end of this video. Thanks so much. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then of course comment what you think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. God bless.